Greetings from Vijaya.net. Happy Pohela Boishakh to all of you. How is it going? I hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty. As well, I'm also cool and dandy today by the grace of Almighty. So, as you know that today is the first day of Bengali calendar that's called Pohela Boishakh, our most enjoyable and greatest traditional festival in our country. Not only our country but also some other countries like India, Bangladesh. I mean, it's the very traditional festival for all Bengalis. I don't need to mention it here because we all know about it. So today I just woke up very early in the morning and I got my shower and then I started this video to talk about this Pohela Boishakh because I know that this is the second Pohela Boishakh with my YouTube channel, because you may see the previous video. I'll mention it in the description box also. So today I just woke up very early in the morning, then I got ready to make this video. And as well, you know that as it is the first day of Bengali New Year, so I also keep various types of promises to the God that I will just enjoy my whole year in a very great way. Then I will avoid every kinds of bad words. I will avoid any kinds of worst words for this year. I just for my whole life, not only this year but also for this my entire life. So then I started this video. So as you know that today is the most traditional day for whole Bengalis, as it is the first day of Bengali New Year. So today I just made this video. I mean, not video, this is the blog session about Pohela Boishakh. So I just want to tell you that in this time, you know, no longer corona pandemic is available nowadays, so we can enjoy everything. We can go out to enjoy this day. We can meet with our friends as well as we can also enjoy the most interesting thing of Pohela Boishakh, that is the called Boishakhi Mela. I just love it. I just love it a lot. So Boishakhi Mela, you can see it in our villages also, and in the unborn countries also may see it. So I just love to go to the Boishakhi Mela as well. So that time of corona pandemic, it wasn't possible for us to visit those, but now it is available for all of us and we can go and we can visit them. So in this time, the traditional look, I just haven't created any traditional look today. I'm really sorry because I've got some problems, so I just haven't created any traditional look today. But if you think about the girls, the traditional look, the traditional dress of Pohela Boishakh for them is yellow sarees, or you can also like wear the white and red sarees, I think, and also yellow sarees as well. And the boys, they wear like pajama Punjabi, something like this. I'm not sure about it. I think they wear it. So those are the traditional looks, those are the traditional dresses for this Pohela Boishakh. And as well as, you know, that watered rice and with chilies, green chilies, onions, and then green chilies, onions, then yeah, something like this hilsa fish. I mean, those are the traditional food for this Pohela Boishakh, and I will enjoy it after making this video. So I hope you'll enjoy this entire video. And another things that is called Halkhata, the festival of Halkhata. This is the very interesting thing of this Pohela Boishakh. So Halkhata, that is the businessmen, they open it for this Pohela Boishakh. So they just enjoyed this day in a very different way, and we also enjoyed this day in a very different way, you know. And as well as I want to mention here that people from every walks of life enjoyed this day, so we all should respect them and we all should enjoy this day together. Like whenever we go to like any kinds of Boishakhi Mela, sometimes we see that some poor people also come there, some rich people also come there, and we just make a discrimination. I mean, gender discrimination and also some other discrimination there, but we shouldn't make it at all. We should be very careful about it and we should make everything together, because we all are human beings. We should respect every human beings and we should keep promise that we'll do it. So in the whole year, so that I hope you will be able to do it in a very great way. So I want to mention you, that enjoy this day and enjoy this entire session, enjoy this entire year, and hope you will enjoy. You will also pray for me, and I will also pray for you every time. So see you in the next, and best of luck for all of you. See you in the next. Till then, ta-da.